Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering manufacturing execution system (MES) solutions that provide real-time production visibility, quality control, and complete traceability across manufacturing operations. Manufacturers often face limited production visibility, manual processes, quality issues, traceability challenges, and delayed decision-making that impact operational efficiency. Brilliant MES connects production lines, machines, operators, ERP, PLC, SCADA, industrial IoT, barcode, RFID, and quality systems into one intelligent digital manufacturing platform. Production orders, work instructions, machine performance, material consumption, and operator activities are monitored in real time, providing complete visibility across the shop floor. Advanced dashboards deliver insights into production performance, OEE, downtime, quality, traceability, and operational KPIs, enabling faster and smarter decisions. Organizations achieve improved production visibility, enhanced quality, complete traceability, reduced downtime, higher productivity, and Industry 4.0 readiness. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.